Remember us talking about harebrained ideas? This is my wife's next harebrained idea.
Excuse me?
Oh, are you in here? I'm sorry.
I've been in here all
I didn't know you were here.
It's your harebrained idea.
My bad.
Okay. You need more light?
No, I can see okay. And then I don't think we can take any of that back in that corner out until we actually get lumber here so that we can secure it as we're building it.
Should we go ahead and go take out that trash can?
Well, yeah, all that can go. What I'm saying, as far as the floor,
Yeah.
because that last log there is running up underneath and holding drywall and stuff. So it's kind of like we need to pick at it as we have lumber.
What do you give me?
We'll get a rhythm going. Some of them will have nails now. Be careful.
Okay, well, if you see a nail, just warn me ahead of time.
Huh?
I said, if you see a nail, just kind of warn me ahead of time.
Yeah, I'll kind of have it facing upwards.
Is that it? We got more?
No, there's more. I just gotta,
Oh, okay.
I gotta get these nails. Okay.
For now?
Yeah, I think so. I'll make another pile and
So you want to put your fan in then?
yes. on these logs, as long as we're careful for today, is the next thing he's going to have to get these registers plumbing out of here. And then cut the logs and get the logs out of here. I certainly don't think we can get them logs out of here too easily.
Well, here. I can do it this way.
I know there's one piece of plywood that would be perfect for that, because I gave him a piece of plywood the other day. Not real big, but...
There. There.
So, these are on. On.
Yep.
Okay. Line them up here.
What is it?
The caps for the buttons to turn on the light.
Oh,
So don't throw them away.
okay.
They keep falling off and they're in the way, so.
Oh.
I just want to tell somebody else in case I forget.
Remember I was talking about harebrained ideas. This is my wife's next harebrained idea.
Excuse me?
Oh, are you in here? I'm sorry.
I've been in here all
I didn't know you were here.
It's your
My-
harebrained idea.
My bad.
Yeah.
My bad.
You're the one that made me crawl underneath the house.
Yep.
3 times!
So this is a log cabin section of the house. And Ron's been working up getting the floor up. Obviously the floor's up. Subfloor's up. Well, what was here yesterday that was the original floor to the log house.
This right here.
Yeah, that's what's there. So was the original floor to the log house. Pretty cool.
Right here.
Yeah.
And then the floor, the previous owners
Yeah.
put down.
You can see here. And we've kept all that wood. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I would like to repurpose it. I'm not exactly sure though. But we're going to get these trees, floor joist out of here is the next step. Clean up some of the miscellaneous wiring that's up underneath here. We've got to get these registers shut down. Set some radiators shut down. That's going to be our next thing we're going to work on in here. Get some of these floor joists out of here, and we're leaning towards putting a concrete foundation in here. Is what we're leaning towards right now. I think that would be the most stable and structural sound going forward. You can see these floor joists are they're not connected. They're actually just sitting there on that concrete ledge. So there's no structural there. So these can be removed. And then I think we're just gonna bring some dirt in here, fill it up, and then probably some stone, and then we'll pour some concrete. We'll have a concrete floor. We're debating whether we're going to put the registers back in or do radiant heat. Not sure yet. Yeah, we'll have to figure that out. But pretty cool. This is what we got. We got to be careful with the fireplace because the fireplace is sitting on the dirt there. It's built on there, so we'll have to figure all this out. But this is what we got. So thanks, honey.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, this is going to be what we're working on. So we've got quite a bit of work done. Obviously, you've seen in the video, but this will be a probably a series of videos that we'll create for this. So thanks for hanging out with us, watching Rolling Country Outdoors. Really do appreciate it, and we'll continue this project. Hang tight. All right, I'm going to work on getting these pipes down here secured and that way I can remove the connection that it has to the floor joist here. So I can get these floor joists out of here. So this PEC that we have in here, this is for all the water, the radiators. So I'm just gonna get it disconnected here. And then we can hopefully start working on getting these out of here. What I'm using here is this rebar to attach these to I just use some tie wraps, secure these up, hold everything in place. There we go. Alright. That's what I was hanging on there with, those straps. So we'll call that one.
Here,
Huh?
are my gloves still in there?
I don't know.
Oh.
I still have wire lines connected there.
You took away my stepping stone.
Oh, here, step on it. I'll hold it.
Oh, no. Just let me in your hand so I can step over. Oh, here they are. I can't see. Oh. What are you doing with this?
Just trying to set it up and see how we can get it out of here.
Well, see, when I'm underneath, this is all I saw.
Yeah.
So where am I going?
Down there, it's lighter down there. So what I'm gonna try to do is set this
I know,
over
but where do you want me standing?
down here.
All the way to the end?
Yeah, down there. So when I lift it up, just make sure nothing's pulling or grabbing
Are
or.
you wanting me here?
I would go over there in that hole.
There?
Right there. Look at me. Back there.
Over here?
That's where I would go.
Back where I was?
I would.
Okay, with your hand in. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I just know that these are bouncy and
Yep.
I don't want to fall. We don't need us both.
Nope.
Ouch in the backs.
Just make sure it's not, messing anything over there. I'm just gonna sit over here is all I'm gonna do. Kind of get it, see how it.
Am I supposed to be lifting it too?
No.
You sure? Watch the wall and the pipe.
Okay, what's it hitting?
You're hitting this pipe. You gotta go up. You're hitting the rod you put there. There you
Go
go.
back.
That rod you put in. Can't you go this way with it? Oh, yeah, you got the radiator.
Yeah.
It might be easier if you go this way first. Maybe. It's either that or you're going to have to lift over that rod.
Right.
Because you're just hitting.
Well, I think what's going to have to happen, that is going to have to go that way. This is going to have to go that way to get it out there.
I gotta use your shirt. This is ready. Well, what if. Can we swing this in this way? Maybe give you more wiggle room?
Maybe. Let me see.
You know what I mean?
I just don't want to affect any of the
Well, that's what I was
water lines.
afraid of, to not bump them because they're old. But but what if you pull this
I see.
this way? Those are water lines going upstairs to her room you're standing on.
Yeah.
You can cut this off. That would help. Can you use that little flat thingy? He had it out earlier. Oh, it's over there by the broom on the floor. What is that thing called? Yep. Ooh. You just rolled.
Let's see that.
But it's rolling back to where it was.
Yep.
Yeah, give me that piece of wood. It smells like cedar.
Yeah.
You think that's what? No, that can't be cedar floors, can it?
Well, it could be cedar post.
You get it?
I don't know.
Want me?
Come on, I'm on the lines.
Yeah, you're on those posts. It's okay. You're just on top of that post that you put in the ground.
Okay, can you come hold this and then let me go to that end?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get down there in the ground. You can't just straddle the pipe. You're gonna have to hold this up.
Hang on. Hold it up.
Yeah, just hold it up. Just kind of hold it. Resting on that
Okay.
rebar.
Go.
Okay.
Go, 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 go.
I'm going.
What do you want me to
I'm
do?
coming. I'm coming. Just put it on top of that.
Here?
Right there. That's good.
Pew. Are you going to turn it so it's on the flat side?
Well, that's fine for right now.
I know, but if it would rest probably better if you,
Well, I'm gonna have to move it back.
you know what I mean?
There we go.
You know what I mean?
Mhm.
It makes you lose.
Okay.
Whoa. Back in there.
Cool.
A hammer won't get it out?
Just pull on the nail.
Oh, really? I didn't eat Wheaties this morning.
You didn't?
No. No. No.
Not having.
No, they're screws. That's why.
They're screws?
Yes, they're screws. See?
Oh, flathead?
Nope. Phillips.
It isn't Phillips?
Yep. Your drill should be right up there. Oh, it's probably easier for them to screw them in than a hammer.
yeah,
There's
sure.
no wiggle room.
Yeah.